Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Itlab. In today's session, we are taking chapter 7th, our recently launched Excel 2022 course. Focusing on Exp22 Excel chapter 7 cumulative assessment variation shipping. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Exp22 Excel chapter 7. Okay, here's project description. Then step number 1 is about start Excel, download and open the name. Basically in this step we will have to download Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. You can download your Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. Okay, I have already downloaded. You can see here. I have done first step. Now moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that in cell D7 insert the appropriate date function to calculate the number of days between the date arrived and date ordered. Copy the function to the range D8 to D35. Basically in this step we will have to enter a function in cell D7. Insert appropriate date function to calculate the number of days between the date arrived and date ordered. Go to the Excel workbook. Go to the Excel workbook. Click on cell D7. Week sheet. Click on cell D7. Enter a formula. Days function. This function days. C7 to S7, then press enter. It will be shows 6 total days. Okay, copy the function to the range D8 to D35. Okay, copy the function the range to D8 to D35. We will copy this function. Okay, this is done now. Sorry. We will enter formula D7 days C7 to A7, then enter, press enter. Okay, then copy the function D7 to D35. Okay, all values shown in column D. I have done this step. Now moving on step number 3. Step number 3 is that in cell E7 insert the weekend function to identify an integer representing the weekday of date arrived. Copy the function to the range E8 to E35. Go to the Excel workbook. Basically in this step we will have to enter a weekday function in cell E7 to identify an integer representing the weekday of the date arrived. You can read this instruction and apply on Excel workbook. Moving on Excel workbook, I click on cell E7, enter a weekday function. Weekday function, then enter a formula. Weekday function, then enter a formula. C11. Okay, then press enter. Okay, arrival weekdays 6. This is shown value. Then we will use fill under to D7 to C7 to E7 to E35, E8 to E35. Copy the function to the range E8 to E35. I have done this step now. You can see here. Okay. Moving on next step number 4. Step number 4 is that select the range E7 to 35. Apply the custom number format DDD form and apply center horizontally alignment DD form. Okay. Go to the Excel workbook. First, we have to select this range, and we will apply custom number format. For applying custom number format, we will go to the number group, then go to the custom number format. Okay, first select this range and go to the Excel workbook. Okay, apply the custom number order format. Okay, go to the number group. For alignment is mid center, then go to the number group. Apply custom format to DD and the center reactor. Okay, I have done this step. Now moving to step number 5. Step number 5 is that in cell G7 insert the switch function to evaluate the airport code, and E7 include mix cell reference to the city name in the ranges G2 to G4. Use the airport codes and text for the value argument. Os for Austin, DFW for Dallas Fort Worth Ford, and IH for Houston. Copy the function range G8 to G35. Basically, in this step, we will have to enter a switch function in cell G7 to evaluate the report code in cell E7. Okay, you can read this and go to the Excel workbook. Moving on Excel workbook, for applying formula, for applying function, click on cell G7, then enter a switch function, then enter a formula F7 to OS this statement. Maybe values will be not shown in this cell because I need to update my office. I am doing chapter 7, and on chapter 7 my office is old now. I will update this, then this value will be shown. You will put this formula in your Excel workbook, your PC. I am guarantee for 100%. You will got values correct value. This is correct, 100% correct formula. I have done this assignment for 100%, 100 times, and my art student got 100% this assignment. Okay, you can see I entered switch function because switch function not in this my current version. I will update today, then it will be shown value. Okay, because I need to update my office, that's why it's not shown value. Okay, this formula is 100% correct. Then copy the function to range G8 to G35. Okay, moving on next step. Next step is step number 6. I have done 5 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 6. Step number 6 is that in cell I7 insert the ifs function to identify the shipping cost based on the report code and applicable shipping rates, the range I2 to I4. Enter the report code in the sequence OS DFW IH with their respective costs. Use relative and mixed references correctly. Copy the function to the range I to I35. Basically, step we will have to ifs function in cell I7 to identify shipping costs based on the airport code to the and the applicable shipping rates. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Ifs function in cell I7, then enter a formula G7 is equal to Austin. I am entering correct formula. Maybe this value will be not shown in this cell because I need to update my office today. I will update today my office 365, then your this value will be shown. Okay, enter formula. You will apply this formula on your PC and you will got correct value, 100% correct value. I will guarantee for this formula. Dallas Ford was okay. Then I say 3 is equal to strong. Okay, this formula is applying, then press enter. This value is not, this formula is correct but value is not shown because I already tell you 10 times. I need to update my Office 365, then it value will be shown. I have latest Office but I need to update this. That's why its value not shown inside, but formula is 100% correct. You will put this formula on your PC and you will got your value. I will be guarantee. Use fill option to the. Okay, you can see here I have done 6 steps of this assignment. For remaining steps or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp email. Both are given in description. My WhatsApp link in given in description and my email also given in description. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment. Best of luck.